Welcome back to App IQ, and today I'm going to show you how to use Canva's color picker and brand colors. To get started, select the current page that you're working with, and up on the toolbar at the top, select background color. Here it will open up the color panel, and here Canva will show you some suggested color palettes that can match your design. So recent photos or videos that you would use, they will all be here right under photo colors. You can select see all and it will show you every design, every image, every video that is on previous pages in this one design. Below there are default solid colors as well as default gradient colors, so you can choose whichever that you want. But to access the color picker, you would go to add new color right here with the colorful circle, and here you can swipe and choose whichever shade that you want. You can also toggle with the bar down here and you can choose again whichever shade of green that you want. Toggle again, go to blue, purple, pink, red, and so on. Right here beside the circle of color, if you have a specific hex code in mind, and then to use a color picker, here is the pick a color icon, and you select it and you drag anywhere on your page and you can select a color and it will appear on your page. You can also select change all, and this will change the color of your background on every other page or slide. And to mention a pro feature, if you have any brands that you're working with, you will see that your brand colors are right here for quick access, so you can keep reusing them. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.